I wanted viewers to experience a playful, naive atmosphere, something that makes them want to stay, imagine possibilities, and remain curious as they observe these ever-evolving generative outputs. Hi, I'm Tamara Moura Costa, a generative artist based in Buenos Aires. I've been working primarily with computational processes, exploring code, electronics, visuals in installations and live performances, and nature is a central inspiration in my practice, consistently guided by curiosity and fun. This work began as a playful sketch drawing tiny flowers in p5.js, and it gradually evolved through experimentation into these outcomes that I couldn't fully predict. In the process, I was focusing on tonal relationships and creating a dialogue between the differences in the rhythms, in the movements of the shapes and textures. I wanted to create a composition, a unity from the contrast.